Here, day 24, post hair transplant with Dr. Alexander. Nothing's really changed, to be honest. You can see my hair, there's still some grafted hairs there. So I was reading through the package and it says they usually come out anywhere from 2 to 8 weeks, the grafted hairs. And then the follicle still remains. So just because the hair is falling out doesn't mean it's not going to grow back. It just takes some time. So yeah, 2 to 8 weeks is when all the grafted hairs usually fall out. And then it usually takes anywhere from 4 to 6 months for it to start growing back. So yeah, as you can see, there's still some hairs that are hanging on for dear life there, but slowly but surely they are falling out. And yeah, just looking forward to 4 months from now when it starts growing back. But I just stayed on course with the minoxidil. I've been taking the finasteride, the oral medication, and I have my PRP booked at the end of the month. So I'm on the right course with doing everything that I need. But yeah, I'll keep you posted. I have a few more days left until the 1 month mark. But yeah, I'm very happy with the progress so far. And again, pain, it's non-existent. All the scabs are definitely all gone now. And just kind of waiting for everything to fall out and regrow. All right, so I'll keep you posted in a couple days with an update.